What is bad is there's a lip there where I was hitting on it. So I know there is damage. I'm going to file out with this. That should be good enough. Just crap my way over here. Junk in my way. Definitely got a low spot in there. File doesn't lie. That's right where the hammer came down in between and hit it. Right there's a little trail going across. And I'll put a little bit of a goop right there and call it done. It's definitely low, you can feel it. This whole area, whole half inch of it, you can feel something going on. Oh well. Didn't think I was hitting it hard down there, but I guess I was. Oh well. It is what it is. You can see where the high spot going in the cylinder was at. Try it again. Slide down like they're supposed to now. At least we got that fixed. All right. Whew. Man, that's hard. Okay. Taking the washer out. Gaskets count. Okay. Cover fits. Cover. Alright. That was pretty good. I like that. Unless I can knock on the floor there. Okay. Appears it fits. And the boot was done. Kind of goes in. Just to rotate back through here. There it goes. Oh, I got a lot of clearance into there now. That's looks like double what it was. It's almost as much as this side now. Still tight. Oh, who's hitting now? Let's see here. That bolt head there is in the way now a little bit. You definitely see that bolt head is right there. Rubbing right across it. Alright, so take that washer out would help. Probably isn't necessary, but wouldn't hurt. That one still needs to be shaped slightly. Make it a little bit easier to go in and out. Still got to get things just right. It's a rotating dance. It's tight like that. So there's that bolt head. Yeah, it's right on top of that bolt head. And what's it hitting on this side? And that boss with the bolt goes to hold the cover on. I can't cut that away. Yeah, that bolt head was right on it too, so it drags right across it. Okay, see, it could drop down to 1/16 right there if I got that bolt head down. So we'll take that washer out also. Shave both heads down slightly. Definitely make a difference. Alright. I was happy with that. Not happy with the case damage, but it is what it is. Fucking stupid Indian made their shit right, it wouldn't have these problems. Okay. Definitely a big improvement. Still could be beat down more right there, wouldn't hurt. Just knock that down some more through there, it would give me some more clearance. It's really hitting further back than that. It's actually hitting right in here. So this is the #1 spot where it hits, right here, right in the middle. I can knock some more right there. We can nail a little bit more in there. That's right where it humps up a little bit too. Maybe, it's hard to tell. Definitely right there, it's humped up. Okay, I'll do a little more whaling on that. We'll be back.